In order to achieve success when measuring PIM, it's important to keep all your connectors, cables, and other components clean. The IPA ships with a cleaning kit which contains Q-tips and alcohol swabs. In order to use the Q-tip, remove it from the bag and break off one end of the Q-tip. We need to remove the cotton fiber itself so as it does not get left behind when cleaning a connector. The alcohol swabs are standard alcohol swabs you can get at the local pharmacy. Typically they're 70% alcohol by volume and come at a low cost in bags of 100. Open the alcohol swab and place the swab over the tip of the Q-tip, the broken end. To clean a connector, we'll then drive the alcohol wipe into the connector face and wipe all mating surfaces. Inspect the alcohol wipe to see if it's gotten dirty. If it's too dirty, you'll want to replace it. If not, and it's still got alcohol, you can proceed to the next connection. On this adapter, we've gone into both female sides of it and wiped the surfaces down. You can see that we picked up a small amount of metal flakes in this particular situation.